Boom, you know what's going on. It's your boy A12Funny. We're live right now. Unity Cup, you know what I'm saying?
Zim! Don't worry, Zim, you're beating there,
Nigeria 7, Jamaica 0.
It's Chris from FFP Jamaica and Nigeria just walked up. We had some kids from either country holding up the flags. We've had like a beautiful cultural embrace today. And if you just look behind me, kickoff is about to start.
Nigeria versus Jamaica, goodness me. We're gonna have some players on the pitch, kicking the ball and hopefully scoring some goals. Now, the predictions are looking crazy. There's gonna be a lot of atmosphere and energy. Let's see who wins.
The match has kicked off. Nigeria started strong. They ain't wasted no time. They've got their first goal. Jamaica, it's not looking good, bruv. Shout out Castillo. But yeah, congrats to Nigeria. They've come with a game plan and they're sticking to it, man. So now we have some halftime performances from Flava. We also have a few other rappers. As you can see, this match has been insane. Nigeria's came ready to take that trophy home, man.
Nigeria kind of swept the floor of Jamaica, unfortunately this time. I'm Team Jamaica, but I have to give my flowers to Nigeria. They've done their job. Like, everyone's outside, everyone's pleased, everyone's happy with their performance. So we're gonna catch up with the coaches, the players. Well done, Nigeria. Well done, Super Eagles. Let's go.
So Nigeria winning to the Unity Cup 2026. Make some noise.
Tell us assist, man.
Alright, that's a wrap. The Unity Cup final 2026 is over. Nigeria 3, Jamaica 0. What a day, what a vibe. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Fortune Favoured Productions. See you next year.